If you want to transfer data from your old phone to Redmi A7 Pro, then in this case we can use the MI Mover app, which you should be able to find on your Redmi A7 Pro. This is an app that is pre-installed and it is used in order to transfer data from one device to another. Now, on your Redmi A7 Pro, of course, we have this app, but on your previous phone, you might not have this app at all. So if your old phone is Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco, there is a very high chance that you have this app installed. In my case, I do have it. But if you have any other Android or if you have an iPhone as your old phone, then in that case you will have to download this app from the Play Store or App Store. So in this case, we can of course go ahead and try to find MI Mover, and I know that on the App Store, the MI Mover app name is not translated for some reason. It has like a Chinese name, I believe. But you're looking for this app over here in general, so you might recognize it by this icon or by the producer of the app, which of course is Xiaomi. So once you have the app, you want to open it. You want to open it on your Redmi A7 Pro as well. Now, if needed, of course, grant all the necessary permissions to be sure that you can easily transfer the data. Now, on our Redmi A7 Pro, we're going to select that this is our new phone, so we want to receive items. There we go. We need to select all the device type. In my case, it is actually Xiaomi, so I can choose Xiaomi and Redmi. Poco works in here as well. For any other Android, you can of course choose Android, and for iPhones, you can choose Apple. So in this case, I'm just going to tap on Android actually, because I think it's a little bit more complicated. Of course, grant all the necessary permissions once again. You will get this QR code that allows you to scan it to install the MI Mover app, but we have already done that, so we can just tap on installed. Now, in here we are creating a hotspot that the old phone is going to use. So on our old phone, we want to choose old because we want to send files. And then we are waiting for the device to appear on our old phone. So you're looking for Redmi A7 Pro and a bunch of letters. There we go, here it is. In case the phone cannot detect the device, you can tap on connect to the new device manually on both devices. In my case, it actually disappeared. So if you do have a trouble with detecting the phone, then of course you can just choose that option. There we go, it actually appeared again. Or you can just wait for it to reappear again. Now we need to wait for both devices to connect. You might also need to confirm the connection code. That is exactly the same. So then we just wait for both devices to establish the connection. And there we go. Now we can choose whatever we want to transfer. And you can transfer pretty much anything if you transfer from Android to Android. But if your old phone is an iPhone, then of course you will not be able to transfer everything. There will be some exceptions, like for example apps. In my case, I'm gonna uncheck everything except for images, because I don't really need to transfer everything. In your case, you probably want to. So make sure that everything that you want to transfer is selected. And then you can just simply tap on next. We need to select both of these options, don't turn off or switch Wi-Fi hotspot. And we need to select that our device may heat up, and then tap send. Of course, the more files you have to transfer, the longer it's going to take to actually transfer them. But once it is done, you can tap on a done on your old phone, and you can tap on a done on your Redmi A7 Pro, and that is pretty much it. Everything that you have selected should be now transferred onto your Redmi A7 Pro. Leave a like and subscribe.